Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to cook beef stew served with rice. Karibuni. Already boiling our beef, as you can see. It's already boiling. Maji imekauka. Ingredients of the day, we have, this is cooking cream plus soy sauce, dark soy sauce. For the spices, we have beef spices. We have onion powder, paprika, and some Knorr beef cubes. We have pilipili hoho. We have oil here, you can see. Kitunguu, some tomatoes, and some pilipili for the good taste. Welcome. So we are going to put our onions. As you can see, the beef was already done. So we add our onions. We add our oil. Just a little amount, because we are going to add the cooking cream. So now our onion is done. It's cooked, as you can see. It's cooked completely. So now we can add our spices. You can add your spices after you add your tomatoes or before you add the tomatoes. So for me, I add before or after, whichever. You let the beef soak in the ingredients. We've now added our tomatoes and green pepper. We give them some time to cook, and we continue from there. Our tomatoes are done, as you can see, and the green peppers. So now we can add our cooking cream and black soy sauce. We can add our green pepper, pilipili, then add some water. We've added our water, so let's give it some time to boil kidogo, and then we serve with our rice. Our beef is done, as you can see. It's thick kidogo, so I wanted it with a bit of soup because we are eating it with rice. You can also eat it with chapati. See the way the beef is well done. Yes, try it and let me know how it went through. And thank you so much for watching. And it's a bye-bye for now. Subscribe and you watch my videos to support your girl. Bye for now.